Okay, so this is part 3 of the winding your yarn on toilet paper rolls. So this is, I'm gonna call a if this happens video. This is how to fix it. So as you can see, I'm gonna turn this around. Okay, so as you can see, I was winding. This is a toilet paper roll, and what I did is what I told you guys. You take it, you push it all the way up on your thing here. Now this is going to be a problem. Now, this is the one that I was showing you that, you know, may not fit. Okay, so I'm about yay much into it. So I'm about this much into it on a toilet paper roll. Now this is not going to fit because as you can see, it wants to go over and it's coming off and it's coming off. So if you run into this, what I did is a while ago, it was starting to come off on this end. So what I did is I put mine in reverse, and I'm gonna lay you down. I'm gonna turn my camera around here and I'm gonna put you down so you can see what I'm doing. And what I did is literally I'm pulling it back off and I'm bringing my, this may be a little upside down for you guys, but here. Okay, so what I did, let me show you real quick. Sorry for making you sick here. Okay, so I'm pulling my drill over to the edge. I have it in reverse and I am slowly pulling it off so that it doesn't wind around this and it doesn't get caught in here. Now, once I get past this, I'm gonna go super fast and I'm gonna drop it all in the floor. And because it's here, it's just gonna go straight down. So I'm gonna put you guys, sorry, I'm gonna put you guys here so that you can see. Yes, I sit on milk crates. I love my milk crates. So here we go, all right? So this is backwards. Okay, and I'm using my finger like this up above as a guide. Okay, and the reason I stopped is because it started winding, this piece started winding in here. Okay, so now I'm gonna go again, and like I said, I'm pulling, not pulling, but guiding is what I wanted to say. So I'm using my thumb and then I'm just kind of guiding it back off and letting it go. As you can see, it will go on its own until it no longer goes on its own, and it'll get caught on one of these pieces that's, and then go slow and then guide and then go. You can see I was trying to fill in. All right, so now we've got some of that off. We'll get some more of this off. All right, so now we have undone where it started coming off on this end. Now we have to fix, now I gotta fix this end. Okay, so same thing. I'm going to push you guys a little forward here because you're right over the edge of the table. Maybe standing on the cliff. And we're gonna do this. So there, it's just dropping into the floor. And now let's just high speed this. Not too high. And let it all go. Like I said, it's falling back into the floor. So this is an easy fix. Okay, so all you have to do is put it in reverse. If it starts tangling in on itself, oh, here we go. If it starts tangling in on itself, you can drop it in the floor. If you feel as if though your tube or whatever you're spinning onto is inadequate, say if you know you have a paper towel roll that's coming available soon, and you would just want to do this temporary, or if you have just a small amount, you can put them on these toilet paper rolls. I thought that it was going to fit because she's fits on hers, so mine didn't fit. So I'm dropping mine into the floor, which I was going to use to make me a scarf. I'm gonna do a two-tone scarf. So I was going to use this as like some ending. I'm learning, okay? I'm learning. I'm not a professional at that. I'm not a professional at this. This is just what I am finding that helps me. And if it helps you, more power to us. So I'm going to drop all this. Move you back forward. Getting too carried away. And there. All right. So now that's pretty much fixed. And then I can go forward. Okay. So then I'm going to go back forward. And I'm not going to go fast. I'm going to go super fast sometimes. But hey, our thumbs is what controls stuff, right? So then I'm going to put it back on. And I'm not going to go as far out as I did. Just showing you guys. Put it right back on. Okay, notice whenever I did that, it kind of slipped a little bit on this side. It wants to go over, so I know now that I have to get me like a piece of cardboard or something, or maybe you can put this into a box and then put it back on the roll. And there's a lot to put back on. So you can tell I'm just slowly creeping. And then that happens. And you just take it off. Take it off. Okay, so here is the problem. I don't know how well you can see that, but right here. So now I have to take it all the way back off. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drop all this back onto the floor. I'm going to drop the whole thing. This whole, like I said, I don't know what they're called. The whole bundle. Does it even say on their papers? Maybe somebody else know what they're called. You can tell me in the comments down below. What is it called? I know a pack of paper is called a ream. I don't know what this is called, and I don't want to call it a ream. So tell me, what's it called? So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that if that happens to you, that you can just take this and put this in reverse and drop it all back onto the floor. There's my proof that you can just drop it back on the floor. And then I used one of these shoe hanger thingies from Walmart. You know, you buy your little slipper shoes, and a paper clip on the side of my bucket or my tote. And there's my thing of string. And I just kind of put it through here. That way, if it had any knots in it, this thing here would kind of like pull the knots out of it. I thought about going through here, but my table doesn't have any, it's really thick, yeah. So, and even the drawer is like too thick for me to put it on. That's yeah, that's almost like knuckle deep. So that's like 2 inches. So that wouldn't have fit. So anyway, I just wanted to give you guys an update. Like I said, it's whenever I run into stuff, I want to help you guys out. So if you were doing this and then you were like, oh, well, it got stuck or it fell off or this, can I go in reverse? Yes, you can go in reverse. Just put your drill over towards the edge of your table, run it backwards until you fix it, and then run it forwards and keep going. All right. So like I said before, hit that like button. While you're down there, consider subscribing. Share the video with someone that you think it might help out. All right. So until I come up with another problem and a solution, I'll see you on the next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.